Oh, nuts! Really? So many branches. Like that. Oh, man. Oh, no, 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 like that. Son of a... All I do is slip. Alright, everybody. Hello. Hope you're all doing well. I'm back at it. This time somewhere on the Ogden. There are an insane number of ducks, geese, something down there, and there's like 40 of them. So I just got done filming some new like how-to videos that flaunt my expertise. I don't know if I'll post them before this or not, but hopefully you'll get a kick out of them. Alright, so here we are. I've got my 3-weight rod today, which I'm very excited to use. I mean, there are very few points in this river more than a foot or two deep. The flows are low, so and the fish are small. I love the lightweight rods. So I have going with the standard again, pheasant tail on the bottom, a midge above it. I'm not doing a tag this time, I'm just doing it like straight tied below. It's been a very long time since I used this. I guess the last time I did it was in the kind of like September-ish time. Oh, nuts! No! Okay, I was an idiot. I went to go catch that first cast. I did not check the tree above me. Alright. Let's see if I have learned my lesson for the remainder of the trip. That sunk, didn't it? Really? Well, at least this one can be pulled off. There are just so many branches. Like tons. So if you hate nailing a branch, which I would expect most of you would say you do not like that. Like that. Oh man. Oh no, 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 like that. See? You get greedy and then you ruin the hole you're targeting, and at least it's low. Think. Son of a... Alright, this is one of those trips where you're like having a real hard time staying positive. All I do is slip. All I do... It's one of those trips. Okay. This is really turning into be one of those trips where it's hard to stay positive. I can't keep my feet under me. I've lost 2 rigs to trees, and I should know better because I guess I've been fishing the Provo too much. Down to my last beaded pheasant tail, so I'm gonna switch it up and do a hare's ear instead. got one. Oh yeah. Nice. I am not going in empty-handed. Holy smokes, he is running. But I am not going home empty-handed, baby. Oh, action on that 3-weight is fun. Man, I was just about to give up on this spot too. I was, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Hey, buddy. What's up? Let's come over here to where it's shallow. Nice. Nice. Nice, 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 because that's going to make my life a lot easier without a net. Alright. What did I get you on? Oh, it looks like I kind of double hooked you. On the pheasant tail. There we go. Wow, they're so, these, the thing I love about these fish is they're just so healthy looking. Look at that puppy. Nice. Okay, let's go. Healthy fish. Sweet! I actually got one. And the only reason, like the big reason, is because I finally got to like a stretch. It was flat. I wasn't slipping over myself. So you can see, I was kind of like in the middle of that. See, well, I ended up putting myself right behind the rock. Easier to not be seen, but it's all flat. I wasn't slipping, wasn't making crazy noise. It's just casting, and then I was almost done with the spot, and I glanced to the side, looked back, and my indicator was like running. You probably saw it before I did.